Okay, this is the one that's usually the trickiest. And you use it on an onion. So I've already turned the bottom of the onion here. And now I'm going to turn a curve that goes from here into its narrowest point here, and then spreads out a little bit up here. So we're going to start to cut back here at the crown of the onion, or the high point. And this stuff's vibrating around like mad. I'm going to choke up on this tool. Do a little zoom in. At that point you'd sand that and keep moving. So we'll thin this out up here. So I'm doing the bottom part first, up to about the thinnest spot. And getting this transition is always tricky. Then I'll come in from the other side. Now I'm going to start turning back towards the headstock, because I'm going to be applying a little more force. And you can keep going on this. When you get thin, you want to stand and finish and don't go back. At this thickness, I can go either way. But blending this one, not super elegant, but I can take it down pretty thin if I wanted to. And you can always sand it too. This side I probably ought to sand it and get some of this tear out, but this is just to demonstrate a technique. So I want the thin spot about a little over half, maybe 2/3 of the way up between the onion and the cap. So somewhere right in there is where I want that thin spot, starting to flex. I'm going to go in here and that part of an onion finial. Here's a little sanding trick. I've got a finger on the piece, another finger here, and then a finger to back up where I'm sanding. Everything rides back and forth, and as long as this area back here has been sanded and smoothed out, there's no friction because you're not pressing very hard, and you can do some really nice blending, and this is just with 600 grit sandpaper. You can also do burnishing with a coffee filter. Again, bracing my hand back here on the wood. It's spinning, but it's smooth, so it's not a big deal. And I can burnish the neck of this onion, and I'm providing opposing forces to the filter with my middle finger of my left hand. And you can see a luster developing on this spindle because I'm burnishing the hell out of the wood. And you get a surface that you don't need to put a finish on.